Dear students, welcome to Diamond Group of Institution. So myself, Mr. Shivkumar sir. So this is the 11th class. This is the 11th class is there, dear students. Already we completed the 10 classes. So previous class I had taught you some example question. So here example number 5 is there. Which topic we are going today means the sum of the nth term of the epic. nth term of the epic के अंदर हम 4 एग्जाम्पल क्वेश्चन एक्सप्लेनेशन कर रहे थे और 5th का एग्जाम्पल क्वेश्चन एक है, 6th का एग्जाम्पल क्वेश्चन है, 6th एग्जाम्पल क्वेश्चन you will do afterwards. After completing this example we will go to the exercise, dear students. Okay, so let us look at the solution. What is given in this question? Okay, find the sum of the first 24 terms. First 24 terms of the list of number whose nth term is given by a is equal to 3 plus 2n. 3 plus 2n. So dear students, first I am taking this is a n is equal to the no. I am taking here 1 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 1 is equal to here 3 plus 2 under 2, it is become 5. Means first term is become a 5. Next term, second term is equal to 3 plus here 2 in the bracket 2 is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to here 7. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So next term, a3 is equal to 3 plus 2 in the bracket n value is 3. It is become 3 plus 3 to is 6. Answer is 9. Okay, so let it be. Now here taking the sequence 5, 7 and 9 so on. Okay, 5, 7, 9 so on is there. So dear students, so first you take the values. First term is equal to 5 and here common difference is equal to a2 minus a1 is equal to 2 and n we are finding 24, sum of the 24 terms, and s24 is equal to question mark. S24 is equal to question mark. Now next step, dear students, here formula is there. Sn is equal to n upon 2 in the bracket 2a and plus bracket n minus 1 bracket close into d whole bracket close, dear students. This is the formula. So next step, here n is equal to 24 by 2 in the bracket 2, a value is 5 and plus n is 24 is there or not? So 24 minus 1 and common difference is 2 whole bracket close. One more time, here 2 is there, a first term is 5 and plus n is equal to 24 minus 1, common difference is 2. Next you come to the here. Now sum of the 24th term is equal to here. When we are doing the division, 2 under 2, 2 under 2, 2 2s are 4. Answer came here 12. Answer is here 12 in the bracket here 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10 plus 2 5s are 10 plus 24 minus 1 is equal to 23. 23 2s are 46. Next step, dear students, 12 in the bracket here 56. 10 plus 46 is equal to 10 plus 46 is equal to 56. Now we are doing the multiplication. 12 6 are 72 carry 7. 12 5 are 60. 60 plus 7 is equal to 67. Means sum of the 24th term is equal to how much? 672. This is our answer, dear students. ये हमारा आंसर होगा. So I thought you understood this example. One more time I will explain this example, dear students. What is the question? Find the sum of the first 24 terms of the list of numbers whose nth term is given by this is the condition given. Nth term is given like that. An is equal to 3 plus 2n is there. First term means n value we are taking 1 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 1 is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Next 3 plus 2 into 2 is equal to 4. It is become 7. Third term become a 9. Our sequence is what? Sequence is 5, 7, 9 and so on. Here you take the values. first term a is equal to 5, common difference is equal to 2, n equal to 24, sum of the 24 term equal to question mark. Then we are using the formula here, Sn is equal to n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 bracket close d. Here substitute the value. N value is 24 by 2 and here 2 is that a value is 5 and plus n is 24 minus 1. Common difference is 2 is there as it is. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, which here become 12 and 2 fives are, dear students, 10 and plus 24 minus 1 is equal to 23, 23 twos are 46. So then 10 plus 46 is equal to 56, bracket is there, that is the multiplication. So 12 6 is 72, carry 7, 12 5 60 plus 7 is equal to 67. I thought this question you understood very well. So next one example question is that is you do yourself practice, then whenever you are getting the confusions you can ask me, I will clarify doubt in the example question. Okay, after this solution we will go to the exercise, dear students. Yes, dear students, welcome to exercise number 1.3 is there, find the sum of the following APs. So first question is 2, 7, 12, so on to 10 terms. Up to 10 terms we are finding. Here first we take the A. First term is 2, common difference is 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 and n is equal to 10, S10 is equal to question mark, dear students. Then here formula is there, Sn is equal to n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus bracket close in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close d and substitute the value. So sum of the 10th term is equal to 10 upon 2 in the bracket 2, a value is 2 plus n minus 1 means 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. I wrote here directly. So here common difference is 5 is there. Next 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 came in the bracket, here 2 2s are 4 and plus 9 5s are 45. Then 5 as it is, 4 plus 45 is equal to 49, dear students. 5 9s are 45, carry 4, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 4 is equal to 24. Means the sum of the 10th term is equal to 245, dear students. I thought you understood this is very well. So one more, nothing is there, very easy is that in this meet having the 4 question I will explain the any 2 questions you will do the homework, dear students. So I thought first question you understood very well. Now I will explain the which one, 4th question I will explain, 2nd and 3rd question. These 2 questions are you do the homework, dear students. Now I want to explain 4th one. Okay. Example number 4 is there. I thought you understood this first question. Now we are going to the question number 4 in this page. What is given? 1 upon 15 given and comma 1 upon 12 given and comma 1 upon 10 given and dash here 2 which term? 11 terms. 11 terms. Okay, dear students. Now you take it the all values here. First one is A is equal to 1 upon 15 and the next common difference is equal to 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 15. Understanding? Look at the board, dear students, very easy. Here subtraction is there. First term is 1 upon 15. Common difference is 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 15. Now cross multiplication, 15 ones are 15 minus 12 ones are 12. Next 12 5s are 60, carry 6. 12 ones are 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. One more time, dear students. Here 15 ones are 15 minus sign as it is. 12 ones are 12. Next 12 next here 1 into 15 को multiply करना minus 12 into 1 को multiply करना और नीचे 12 into 15 को multiply करना. समझ में आया? So 15 into 1 minus 12 into 1 and 12 into 15. 12 5 is 60, carry 6. 12 ones are 12. 12 plus 6 is equal to 18, dear students. Okay. Now it is become 3 by 80. 3 by 180. 3 by 180. Now 3 ones are 3. 3 6 are 80. Means answer common difference came 1 upon 60. 15 minus 12 equal to 3. 180 is there, 3 1 is 3 6 is 18. Answer came common difference is equal to 160. Now n is equal to how much is there? 11 is there. Sum of the 11th term is equal to question mark. Sum of the 11th term is equal to question mark. Now dear students, here Sn is equal to n upon 2 in the bracket 2a and plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close and d. Next step dear students, here we are finding sum of the 11th term is equal to n. N is equal to what? We are finding 11. So 11 upon 2 in the bracket 2, a value is 1 upon 15 is there. That is you as it is writing. Common difference is here. Sorry, n is equal to 11. So 11 minus 1. Common difference is 1 upon 60. That is as it is, whole bracket close. One more time dear students, what I did here in this step. So n value is 11 by 2. 2 is there, a value is 1 upon 15 plus n minus 1 means 11 minus 1 and common difference is 1 by 60. So now dear students, here sum of the 11th term is equal to, here 11 upon 12 is as it is in the bracket, here also 2 ones are 2 upon 15 also as it is plus here 10 minus 1 is 9 minus 1 is equal to 10 and into here 1 upon 60. 1 upon 60. So 0 0 get cancel. So next step is what? Here 11 upon 2 as it is bracket 2 upon 15 and plus here 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6. I thought you understood. One more time I will explain dear students. Next step, here I am doing sum of the 11th term is equal to, sum of the 11th term is equal to 11 by 2 is there and in the bracket 6 2s are 12 plus 15 1s are 15 upon 15 6 are 90. Next step, here 11 by 2 in the bracket 12 plus 15 is equal to, 12 plus 15 is equal to 27 upon 90. So next step, here 11 7s are 77, carry 7, 11 2s are 22, 22 plus 7 is equal to 29 upon 2 9s are 80, 180 as it is. Sum of the 11th term is equal to this much dear students. I want to check the answer in the reader is given the answer. I want to check one more time. So what is the answer he is given in this question? Fourth question is 33 by 20 he is given. Okay, 20 I want to check. We want to do the simplest form. Here 2 9 7 is there. Here 180, both are divisible by 3. 3 6 are 18, 0 came. 3 9s are 27. Remember 2, 3 9s are 27. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 3 3s are. Answer came. When we are doing this simplest form, answer it will become, look at here dear students, this is 9 2s are 18, 0 came, 9 3s are 27, remainder 2, 9 3s are 27. Means answer is sum of the 11th term is equal to 33 by 20 is the answer. Answer is right is there. He did the simplest form. Answer came 33 by 20 is our answer. Okay dear students. One more time dear students, I want to explain this solution. Listen carefully. Step by step I want to explain. Here 4 questions are there in this bit. First question I explained to you. Now we are going to the fourth question dear students. Okay. So here sequence is what? 1 upon 15, 1 upon 12, 1 upon 10, so on to 11 terms. So first term is equal to 1 upon 15 and a common difference is equal to A2 minus A1 means A2 is 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 15. We are doing the cross multiplication. 15 into 1 is equal to 15. When we are doing the subtraction, only having the two fraction means we don't take the LCM, we should do the cross multiplication. That's why I did 15 into 1 is equal to 15. This minus sign as it is 12 into 1 is equal to 12 and 12 into 15 is equal to here came. Then when we are doing the subtraction, this came 3 by 180. So 3 1 3 3 6 8 1 upon 60 came. Next n is equal to 11. Sum of the nth term is equal to, we are finding this is the formula. N is equal to 11 by 2 in the bracket 2. A value is 1 upon 15 plus n minus 1 means 11 minus 1 bracket 2. Its common difference is equal to 1 upon 60. Next, sum of the 11th term is equal to 11 by 2 in the bracket 2 into 1 equal to 2 by 15 plus here 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. 1 upon 60 is there. 0 get cancel. 1 upon 6 is here came and 2 upon 15 is here. 11 upon 2 is here. Then this 11 upon 2 is as it is. Here we are doing the addition. 6 plus 2, 6 into 2 is equal to 12 and plus 15 into 1 equal to 15. 15 6 are 19. And here 11 by 2 is there. 12 plus 15 is equal to 27. 27 by 90. So then when we are doing the multiplication here, it is came answer 297 by 180. So then we will do the simplest form. So the 297 and 180 HCF is 9. So 9 2s are 18, 0 came. 9 is a 27, remainder is here 2. 27, 9 is a 27. Therefore, sum of the 11th term is equal to 33 by 20 in this given sequence. ये दिए गए sequence का जो sum of the 11th term का आंसर क्या है बोले तो वो 33 by 20 है dear students. In this bit, having the 4 question, I explained to you 2 question. Remaining 2 question, we will try. You are not getting, you can ask to me. I will clarify your doubt. Okay, dear students. Now we will go to the second bit. Yes, dear students. Welcome to the second bit. So what is the bit here? Find the sum of the given below. Given. So question is in this bit having the 3 questions are there. First one is 7 plus 10 upon 10 it is 1 by 2 and plus 14 plus so on plus 84 is there. So this is first term also given and the last term also given. But so when we are finding here sum, we should use the formula which one? Yes, n is equal to n upon 2 in the bracket a plus l. हम ये फार्मूला यूज करके इसका सम फाइंड करना चाहिए क्योंकि हमारे पास फर्स्ट टर्म भी है और लास्ट टर्म भी है, लेकिन हमारे पास n नहीं है. इसके लिए हम क्या करना चाहिए? फर्स्ट वी शुड बी फाइंड आउट द n dear students. Okay, when we are finding the n, then only we can find out the sum of this sequence. Now look at here. So here solution. First term a is equal to 7 and the common difference is equal to 10 to the 20. This is a mixed fraction. Convert to the improper. 2 times the 20. 20 plus 1 is equal to 21 by 2 minus 7. This is a2 minus a1. Here there is no denominator. Here is 1. 1 into 21 is equal to 21 and minus 2 sevens are 14 upon 2. We got here 7 upon 2. Understand it? 7 to the 7, 7 to the 14, 7 is a 21. So 21 may say 14 into 7 by 2 ds. This is a common difference. And he is given here last term means a is equal to given 84. First we should be find out the what n is equal to question mark and sum of the n is equal to question mark. Understand it? This is the balance. So first here already we know that what is the a plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close b is equal to a. Sum of the general form nth term of the AP formula. Then a value is equal to how much? 7 plus n we don't know n minus 1. Common difference is what? 7 by 2. And here this is last term is what? 84. Then dear students, 7 into 7 by 2 into n is equal to 7n by 2 and minus here 7 by 2. So 7n, 7 into 1 is 2 is equal to 7n, 2 into 1 equal to 2 plus into minus minus 7 by 2 into 1 is equal to 7 by 2 is equal to 84 and minus 17. This plus 7 comes to this, that is the minus 7. Here both the denominators are same. That's why you should take the commonly one denominator, that is 2, and here upside is what? 7n minus 7. 7n minus 7. Next step here, 14 minus 7 is equal to 7, and here 7. Understand? Here 7. Next step, 7n minus 7 is equal to 77 into 2. 77 into 2. This 2 is become multiplication, dear students. Next step, here 7n is equal to, here 2 7s are 14, carry 1 2 7 14 plus 1 15, and this is become plus 7. Then n is equal to, here 161 divided by 7. Now 7 is a 7, 7 2 is a 14, 7 3 is a 20. N is equal to 20. N is equal to, dear students, 23. Sorry, I want to this side, dear students, because we want to again find out the sum. Here from this step I will do. Now here, dear students, this is 7n minus 7 by 2, same. Here it is become 77, and the next step here 7n is equal to 77 into 2 minus 7 is become plus 7. Then here n is equal to 77 to 154, 154 plus 7 is equal to 161 divided by 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. Means n is equal to km. So here 23 is answer. N is equal to, what is the answer? 23. Now we will find out the sum of the 23 terms. So then, dear students, formula is what? Here Sn is equal to n upon 2 in the bracket a plus n. This formula we are using. Okay. So next here sum of the 23 terms we are finding. Here 23 upon 2 in the bracket a value is 7 and L value is 84. Last term is 84. Next 23 by 2 in the bracket 7 plus 84 is equal to 91. 91. Right. Now we should do the multiplication. Here 91 into 20. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. Next 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. Here 3, 9, 10 carry 1, here 1. So it is become what? 2. So 3, 9, 10 carry 1, 2. Answer came here 2093 upon here 2. This is the sum of the 23 term. लेकिन टेक्स्ट बुक में क्या दिया है उसको थोड़ा सिंपलेस्ट किया है, उसको डिवीजन किया है डियर स्टूडेंट्स. हाउ ही डिड मींस 2 को 2 से लेकर 2093 को डिवीजन किया उन्होंने. सो 2 1s are 2, here 1 came, 0 came, this is 0, that's why here 0. Next number is 9, 2 4s are 8, remainder 1, 13 came, so 2 6s are 12, remainder is 1. So answer came, sum of the 23 terms is equal to 1046 integer. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. Answer came, sum of the 23 terms is equal to what? 1046 integer. 1 by 2 is our answer. Right. So I thought you understood very well. One more time I will explain, dear students. Look at the board. So first term is equal to 7. Common difference is equal to, this is a mixed fraction. We are converting to the improper. 2 10s are 20. 20 plus 1 is equal to 21 by 2. minus 7 means A2 minus A1. So it is came 1 into 27, 1 equal 21, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2. Answer came 7 by 2, dear students. Next term. So here an last term is equal to 84. We should find out here n first. N is equal to question mark, Sn is equal to question mark. This is the identity, dear students. The identity है इस formula nth term of the AP. So then substitute करें, करने के बाद 7 इधर 7 अपॉन n से n को मल्टीप्लाई करके 7n by 2 minus 2 plus minus 7 by 2 into 1 equal to 7 by 2 is equal to 84 plus 7 is become minus 7. So it is become 77. Here both are same, that's why I took 2 here. Numerators are subtraction, 7 minus 7 is as it is. So next 7n here, 77 into this 2 is become multiplication, minus 7 is become plus 7. So n is equal to 77 2s are 154. 154 plus 7 is equal to 161. This 7 is become denominator, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. Means n is equal to 23. Next Sn is equal to, sum we are finding. Sn is equal to n upon 2 in the bracket a plus n. S23 is equal to 23 by 2 in the bracket a value is first term is 7, last term is 84. Why we are using this identity? Means we know that first term and last term. प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमको लास्ट टर्म के बारे में पता नहीं था, इसके लिए हम वो फार्मूला यूज करे थे, लेकिन इधर लास्ट टर्म हमको पता है, इसके लिए ये फार्मूला यूज करना चाहिए. 7 plus 84 equal to 91, 23 by 2, both are not divisible by 2, that's why directly multiplication is came to 93 and इधर का 1 and 2 into 1 equal to 2, numerator multiplication 2093 के ये improper fraction this is the quotient is become a whole number, this remainder is become a numerator and divisor is become a denominator. I thought you understood. So this question. So similarly follow the method and find out that here two questions are there. Second question and third question you will do the homework, dear students. Okay. So let us go to the next third bit. Yes, dear students, come to the third bit. What is the third bit? In an AP, in this bit having the 10 questions. इसके अंदर 10 क्वेश्चन है, 10 क्वेश्चन है. 10 में से फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन I want to explain. So second, third question we will do the homework, dear students. Okay. So now look at the board here. So given A is equal to 5, B is equal to 3, An is equal to 50 and Sn is equal to question mark. Previous question we did. So first Sn फाइंड करने के लिए हमको n फाइंड करना बहुत जरूरी है. n करने के बाद ही हमको Sn फाइंड करने के लिए आता है. Okay. Now look at the board. We are going here solution. Already we know that A is given. That's why I am taking A plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close D is equal to A. This formula you should be used and find out the n. First find the find the n and here n is equal to 50 is there. Find n and Sn. This is the question. Okay. Find the n and Sn. ये दोनों भी हमको फाइंड करने का है. Okay. So that's why here, dear students, A value substitute 5 plus n we are finding one common difference is 3 and An is equal to 50 is there. Next 3 into n is equal to 5 here as it is and plus 3 into n is equal to 3n minus 3 and it is equal to 50. Look at the board. This 5 as it is plus into plus plus 3 into n equal to 3n plus into minus minus 3 1 is 3. Next here 3n is equal to 50. 3n is equal to 50. 55 में से 3 गए तो बचेगा कितना 2 plus 3n is equal to 50. Once again, dear students, 3n as it is, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 and this 50 as it is. Now n is equal to 50 minus 2 divided by 3. So I took here at the time 50 is there, plus 2 is become minus 2 and multiplication 3 is become division. Now here is n is equal to, we got 50 minus 2 is equal to 50 minus 2 is equal to 48 divided by 3, dear students. Now we are doing the division. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, remainder is 1, 18, 3 6 are 18, means n is equal to we got here, dear students, 16. Number of terms is equal to how many are there? 16 are there. Now we will find out the sum of the nth term of the AP. Sum of n. So here Sn is equal to formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 in the bracket a plus n. Why we are using this formula? Means we know that last term an, we know that there is an is equal to 50. That's why we are using this formula. So n equal to, we got here 16. Means sum of the 16 terms is equal to 16 by 2 in the bracket. A value is given 5 and plus this is 50. 50 is there. Okay, last term is equal to 50 and first term is equal to 5, dear students. Now sum of the 16 terms is equal to, dear students, 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. Means answer here came 8, dear students, in the bracket 55. दोनों को सम करें तो कितना गया? 55. Next step, dear students, therefore sum of the 16 terms is equal to 8 5s are 40, carry 4, 8 5s are 40 plus 4 is equal to 44. I thought you understood this question, dear students. The sum of the 16th terms is equal to, what is the answer? 440. Understand it? So look at the board one more time, dear students. So question number 1 is that given a is equal to 5, b is equal to 3, an is equal to 50. Find the n and sl. So we are finding first n, dear students. A plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close d is equal to an is there. So substitute the value, a value is 5 plus n, we are finding n minus 1 bracket close, common difference is 3 is equal to 50 because common difference is given. So next 5 as it is plus 3 into n equal to 3, 3n plus into minus 3 1 is 3 is equal to 50. So 5 plus 5 minus 3 is equal to answer we got to 2 plus 3n is equal to 50. Next n is there is equal to 50. This plus 2 is cancelled, that's why there will become minus 2. This multiplication is become division. Next n is equal to 50 minus 2 is equal to 48 divided by 3. So both are divisible by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Remainder is 1. 18 3 6 is 18. N is equal to 16, dear students. Now we are finding the sum of the nth term of the AP. Here we are using the formula. This one because we know that the first term and the last term. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 in the bracket a plus n. S16 is equal to sum of the 16 because we got here n is equal to 16. So is equal to 16 by 2 in the bracket a value is 5 and n value is 50. So then 2 under 2 to 8 is 16. Here we got here a 50 plus 5 is equal to 55. Then sum of the 16 terms is equal to 8 5s are 40. Carry 4, 8 5s are 40 plus 4 is equal to 44. Means the sum of the 16th term is equal to 440. Dear students, today I want to stop here only this class. So next period we will see the word. So remaining questions we will see it. So again in this exercise having the 20 questions are there. We are going the third question. In this third period we will be having the 10 question. Let us see the next period remaining all questions, dear students. Okay, today I want to stop here only. Thank you, dear students. Thank you and all.